Think of a society as a playing field. In any game, rules are set to make sure that all players and coaches are held to the same standards. Referees enforce these rules to keep the game fair and orderly, preventing it from turning into chaos. Similarly, in society, the rule of law makes sure that all individuals are subject to the same legal standards and that the laws are applied consistently. Just as players in a game understand and expect fair treatment from the referees, citizens expect fair and equal treatment from the courts and the legal system. Without established rules, any game would become unruly, just as society would lack order without the rule of law. In a democracy, the rule of law means that all people, regardless of their status, wealth, or power, are equal before the law. The rule of law creates a legal environment where fairness, justice, and stability are upheld, where the rights and responsibilities of all citizens are clearly defined and consistently enforced. The concept of the rule of law was crucial to the framers of the U.S. Constitution for several reasons. The framers came from a monarchy where the king could impose taxes and make decisions without anyone else's consent, leading to a government where laws could change unpredictably and unfairly. The framers wanted to create a system to prevent such instability and ensure that governance was based on stable legal principles, not unpredictable popular sentiment. The framers worried about the potential for mob rule, even in a democracy, where decisions could be made based on the whims of the majority without regard for established laws or individual rights. Let's look at how the Constitution upholds and protects the rule of law. The Constitution establishes a government that can make, enforce, and review its own laws in order to secure justice, liberty, and peace. The Supremacy Clause establishes that the Constitution and the laws made based upon it are the supreme law of the land. Federal laws are supreme to state laws, and all laws must comply with the Constitution. Separation of powers and checks and balances prevent any single branch from becoming too powerful and ensure that laws are enacted, enforced, and interpreted in a balanced manner. The Bill of Rights and the 5th and 14th Amendments guarantee fundamental individual liberties and the right to the equal protection of the laws and the due process of law. What would society look like without the rule of law? Why should the rule of law matter to you today?